I will act on it with dispatch, definitely forthwith. As soon as the Senate receives it, I will inform the Senate and refer it to the Committee on Rules.
Handang aksyonan agad sa Senado ang impeachment case laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Oras na iakyat ito ng House of Representatives ayon kay Senate President Vicente Tito Soto III. Paliwanag ni SP Soto, pagdating ng articles of impeachment o kung matanggap na ng Senado ang reklamo mula sa Kamara, agad niya itong ipapaalam sa plenaryo at pasa ito sa Committee on Rules. Aniya, maaaring mag-convene ang taas na kapulungan ng Kongreso bilang isang impeachment court. Pagbalik ng sesyon, maipadala na ng mababang kapulungan ang mga dokumento sa panahong iyon.
Pinakamadali is kung may session. Yes, of course, by May 4, if we receive the articles of impeachment, then we will immediately convene an impeachment court.
Ayon sa Senate President, hindi maring mabinbin ang ibang legislative work o iba pang trabaho ng Senado kapag matuloy ang impeachment trial ni Vice President Duterte. Dito, mungkahi ni Senator Soto ang pagkakaroon ng marathon session upang hindi mapabayaan ang ibang mahahalagang batas na kailangang maipasa ng Senado.
I was thinking of a whole day session. Senate in the morning, impeachment court in the afternoon, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now, sabi ko, sige, let's discuss it with the other members, include the entire Senate, pati minority. Just in case, no? Again, as I said, there is still a vacuum. We don't know if the articles are coming up, but nevertheless, pinag-uusapan natin to if, okay, if ever.
Samantala bilang magsisilbing presiding officer, inihayag ng senador na kanyang inaaral o nire-review na ang rules of court at mga tuntunin ng impeachment upang matiyak ang tamang proseso.
Because of my twice experience of being involved in any impeachment in the Senate, no? Meron naman tayong more or less background dito. But then again, as presiding officer, I made sure that I will review the rules of court. I am being helped by a number of lawyers and at the very least 2 justices that are giving me a very good perspective of what to expect. Ang importante kasi is that I brush up on the rules of court so that it may jibe with the impeachment rules and the rules of the Senate.
Bukod sa kanyang personal na paghahanda, hinikayat din ni Senator Soto ang kanyang mga kasamahan na mag-aral na rin sa pagiging Senator Judge.
Actually, yes, that was the intent of my, one of the intents, one of the reasons why I hosted a dinner with some of the senators who were available to join us. Most of them, and all of them were in the majority na nakausap ng staff eh. Yung mga COS naman ang pinagsabihan ko kung sino mga available. I told them about that. Sabi ko, mas maganda, just in case, umakyat sa atin, mabuti na yung nakahanda tayo, hindi pwedeng mangangapa tayo at mangangapa din ang mga senador. Because there are issues that the presiding officer may throw to the body or there may be an objection from any of the members that we should be able to know how to address these objections.
Kaugnay ng paghahanda ng Senado sa posibleng pag-akyat ng articles of impeachment, binigyang diin ni SP Soto ang kahalagahan ng pagiging impartial ng mga senador. Paalala ni Senator Soto sa kanyang mga kasamahan, hindi lamang dapat maging impartial ang mga senador, kundi dapat din silang magmukhang neutral sa mata ng publiko upang mapanatili ang integridad ng proseso. Samantala, ibinahagi rin ng senador na bumuo na siya ng isang legal team na gagabay sa kanya sa buong proseso ng impeachment. Bukod pa riyan ang posibleng pagtatalaga ng isang spokesperson para sa impeachment court. Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.